In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zendesk automations. Imagine having a system that automatically streamlines your workflow by performing routine tasks without the need for manual input. That's the power of Zendesk automations. So let's dive right in and set up your own automations. To get started, you need to log into your Zendesk account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the bottom left of your screen where you'll find the gear icon we all recognize as settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to customizing and refining your Zendesk experience. Within the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Objects and Rules. Give that a click. This area is crucial as it contains all the foundational rules and structures that govern your Zendesk workspace. It's like the brain center where you'll manage how things tick. Next, within the Objects and Rules section, spot the Automations tab. This is what we're here to tweak, so click on it. Automations can save you loads of time by completing repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more pressing matters. Now you'll see a list of your current automations. Look toward the top and click on Active. This view will show you all the automations currently in play, ensuring you aren't duplicating efforts or straying from your existing workflow. To create a new automation, find and click on Add Automation. This command starts a fresh slate where you get to design an automation tailored to your needs. Start by assigning an automation title. This is the label that helps you quickly identify what the automation is meant to do. Make it descriptive so you immediately know its purpose when you glance at it. Once titled, move to the section that says Meet all of the following conditions. Click to select the conditions that must be met for the automation to trigger. Conditions are like switches. All must be toggled on for the automation to fire off. Below that, you'll find Meet any of the following conditions. Choose from these preset conditions. If any of these are met, your automation will run, offering a bit of flexibility in how your triggers are set up. To further refine your automation, click on Add Condition. This allows you to stack additional criteria, providing the granularity needed for finely tuned automation. Next, head to Perform these actions. This is where you clearly dictate what happens when all the conditions you set are met. Within this section, go on and click to select an action. You'll be directing your automation to perform specific tasks, like sending alerts, updating data fields, or any task you need handled. Once you've solidified your actions, finalize by clicking Add Action. This step entrenches your settings, ensuring that your automation is comprehensive and effective. In the final review stage, click on Highlight. This option lets you emphasize essential parts of your automation for quick visualization and narration. With that, your automation is set. Thanks for following along, and soon you'll be enjoying the addition of this automation to your Zendesk workflow.